Stick-on lights are essential for effortless, flexible illumination, providing instant, customizable lighting in any space without wiring, perfect for closets, cabinets, bedrooms, or emergency use. My today's video is about top 5 best stick-on lights for effortless and flexible lighting that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Daybetter LED Strip Lights. These LED strip lights offer versatile, smart lighting for any space. Controlled via a user-friendly app or 44-key IR remote, they allow effortless color and mode adjustments, perfect for bedrooms, kitchens, living rooms, bars, or parties. With a built-in sensitive microphone, the lights sync to music, creating dynamic, immersive effects that enhance celebrations. The smart timer function and color memory ensure convenience, automatically turning lights on and off according to your schedule. At 110 feet per roll, the strips provide ample coverage for various spaces. Installation is simple with strong adhesive backing, just attach to a clean, dry surface and follow the manual. Ideal for customizable ambience, these LED strips combine smart technology, ease of use, and striking visual effects, making them a practical and decorative lighting solution for any environment. Now our second product is Luxpro Waterproof Micro LED Puck Lights. The Luxpro Micro LED Puck Lights are compact, versatile, and highly practical for a variety of lighting needs. Each light features a bright LED with an IPX6 waterproof rating, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Battery operated with 2 CR2032 cells per puck, they provide up to 10 hours of illumination without the need for wiring or outlets. Installation is simple thanks to the included adhesive backing, allowing use in cabinets, closets, as nightlights, or even as portable camping lights. Lightweight and affordable, these puck lights are ideal for trails, camping, or neighborhood walks. Luxpro emphasizes quality and user-focused design, ensuring reliable performance and long-lasting durability. Combining convenience, brightness, and versatility, these micro LED lights are a smart solution for accessible, flexible lighting anywhere. Our third product is Govee Rgbic LED Strip Lights. The Govee Rgbic LED Strip Lights transform any bedroom into a vibrant, personalized space with dynamic multicolor effects along a single strip, surpassing traditional RGB lighting. Controlled via the Govee Home app, these smart lights allow precise adjustments to color, brightness, and effects, offering a truly customizable experience beyond simple remotes. With 16 million colors and DIY creative options, users can craft unique light shows and share them on the app community, while AI-generated themes provide fresh inspiration. The upgraded music sync mode uses a sensitive built-in mic to synchronize lights with audio, enhancing parties or home concerts. With 64+ preset scenes, users can easily set moods for holidays, movies, or relaxation. Easy to install with strong adhesive, these indoor-only LED strips deliver immersive, expressive, and fun lighting for any home environment. Now number 4, Mettlelite RGB LED Light. The Lightstick 400C RGB LED Video Light Stick is a professional-grade lighting solution designed for photographers and videographers seeking precision and versatility. Its CCT mode allows color temperature adjustment from 2800K to 8000K with 0% to 100% dimmable brightness, delivering natural, vivid colors with CRI 95+ and TLCI 96+. HSI mode and GL presets offer full access to hues, saturation, and brightness, while EFX mode provides 10 customizable lighting effects like color chase, lightning, and fireworks, ideal for creative shoots. Lightweight at 1.32 pounds and 2 feet long, it features a rechargeable battery supporting 130 minutes of runtime with pass-through charging. The 1/4 inch -20 mounting socket and metal lighting app enable easy tripod setup and wireless control, including grouping multiple lights. Durable and portable, the 400C is a versatile, reliable tool for professional lighting needs. And our last choice is Ezvalo LED Puck Lights. The Ezvalo USB rechargeable puck lights offer a convenient, cost-effective alternative to traditional battery-powered lights. With a built-in rechargeable battery and USB Type-C compatibility, they eliminate frequent AAA replacements and work with power banks, phone chargers, or PC USB ports. Compact and lightweight at 2.5 inches, these touch-activated night lights are perfect for dark corners, closets, cabinets, drawers, bathrooms, hallways, or even dollhouses, making them ideal for children, the elderly, and pets. Each light delivers 50 lumens of soft yet bright illumination, adjustable across 3 color temperatures, 3000K warm, 4500K natural, and 6500K cool, and dimmable from 10% to 100%. Installation is effortless with included 3M adhesive, and portability ensures flexible use anywhere. Durable and versatile, these puck lights combine brightness, convenience, and efficiency for a wide range of applications. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.